When I am sick or I'm feeling under the weather, I cannot stand a dirty place, and then scents really affect me. Sometimes it'll have me head straight to the restroom, it'll give me a headache. So I love cleaning with non-toxic items, and my favorite is Thieves. So right now I'm in a colitis flare, so I'm in the bathroom a lot, so I clean the bathroom quite a bit. Thieves is wonderful because it's a combination of cloves and cinnamon, eucalyptus, lemon, and rosemary. And you need very little of it. So here, you just mix 1 cap. And you want to use a glass jar because it has oils, and if it's plastic, over time it can deplete it. So per 14 ounces of water. If I want it to be stronger, because I love the smell of Thieves, and then I want it just to make sure that everything gets cleaned and sanitized, I'll put 2 capfuls. And then you shake it up, you spray it on surfaces, and you wipe. So this is also a great glass cleaner. I also spray it on plants, like the bottom right there, because you know how you get those dang fruit flies? Yeah, so this helps with that. I will also spray it on my doorway and certain parts of the wall to help with bugs and spiders. Okay. Now this is great for the toilet, it's great for the sink. I'll spray the sink afterwards, after I clean it. So this is a great multi-purpose cleaner, and your house smells wonderful afterwards. So with Thieves, you can also do a surface scrub cleaner, and you just use baking soda. Okay. And I get quite a bit because I don't like to mix it up all the time. And I'll do like 2 capfuls. And then I will mix it with a little bit of water. And this is great for cleaning your bathtub, especially if you have little kids, because it doesn't leave a residue and it actually smells good. And if you don't have gloves, it's not going to eat away at your hands. And I just mix it up to create like a thick paste. Sometimes I make it thinner. There's no wrong way to do it. Okay, and then you put it on the surface where you just kind of dabble it. And you can use this for your toilet as well. Okay, and then you use a sponge and you scrub. And if I have a lot of grime, I'll leave it there for a little bit before I rinse it. You can also use it, and it's safe for all surfaces, on your countertop, okay, to get rid of grease. And if there's a lot, I'll just leave it there for a little bit before I rinse. And this is great for the bathtub, like I said. I don't mind cleaning the bathtub anymore for Bella, and it just smells so good. Like I said, I don't have time to mix this up all the time, and I'll make a big batch, right? And then afterwards I'll put it in a glass jar. So then I always have it on hand to clean, and these days I'm cleaning a lot because I'm kind of germaphobe, and we got this thing going on right now called COVID, and so I just like to keep everything clean. And this is my jar, and it's ready for me to clean at any time. So if you don't like the smell of Thieves, or like there's a scent that you want to enhance even more, you can add other essential oils to it, like orange or rosemary or eucalyptus. And the reason you want to clean with these essential oils is because when you clean the surfaces, it adds a higher vibration. It creates a place of calmness. You can breathe easier, and so then you're healthier, and everyone in the home, their energy is uplifted. So I hope that this encourages you to change your cleaning techniques and swap your old products for a non-toxic living.